Welcome, in front of me is ACER Nitro 5, and in this video I will show you how to run diagnostics on this laptop. So in order to run diagnostics, you're gonna need to install the ACER Care Center on your laptop, and to do that you have to open your web browser, then open the search engine in your web browser. You don't have to go into incognito mode. It's just that I'm not sure if the ACER website is gonna allow it for me because I made too many requests recently. Okay, so now search for the ACER drivers, and you're gonna find the official acer.com/home/support website that says download ACER support drivers and manuals. Open it. Then here you'll have to enter either the serial number or SNID of your device, and if you want to find the serial number or SNID, you have to check the back cover of your device and look for two barcodes with serial number right here and SNID right below it. So you surely have one on your laptop, so check it out. And once you check these numbers, you have to enter one of these into this field. I recommend using SNID since it's much shorter, so you less likely are gonna make a mistake. And once you enter it, press enter. Then on the following page, you're gonna have to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the list, expand the application section, click download next to ACER Care Center, and wait for the application to download. Open your file explorer, downloads folder, and once this zip file is downloaded, click on it, double click on it to open it, then select this folder, use Ctrl+C to copy it, and then go back to the downloads folder and press Ctrl+V to paste it right here. Now open this folder and click setup, click yes. Next, and then you're gonna have to accept the user license agreement, read and accept the license agreement by hitting the checkbox, and click next a couple of times until the download is finished. I'm not gonna go through this process because I already have this program on my computer. So what you have to do next is open the start menu, then go to all programs by clicking right here, then open the Care Center and wait until it's opened. And in the Care Center, you're gonna have to wait until this yellow or orange tab is loaded, and then click on it. And now to run diagnostics, you have to click check now next below each element of your hardware. So for example, we can check the SSD, the battery health, and the RAM memory. As you can see, the battery health is good. Now I can wait until the SSD is checked, but in case something isn't good, something isn't well, you'll be notified and you'll be given steps of what you have to do next. For me, I'm pretty sure everything is well. Basically that's how you perform diagnostics on this laptop. So I think that will be all for this video. Thank you so much for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.